Have you ever wondered how people are making money online with AI-generated text? What if I told you that artificial intelligence is changing the game and creating endless opportunities for anyone to earn a steady income without needing to be a professional writer? That's right. AI-generated text is revolutionizing the way we create content. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can turn this technology into cold hard cash. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to expand your online income streams, this video will break down the top ways to monetize AI-generated text, including the pros, cons, and real-world examples of platforms you can use to get started. Stick until the end to see which method is the best for your skills and long-term strategies. So, turn off all distractions and let's dive in. Let's start with one of the most popular methods, creating and self-publishing ebooks. With AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper, you can generate high-quality content in minutes. The key here is to focus on niche markets. Think about topics people are passionate about but don't have enough resources on, like how to train a parrot to talk or budget-friendly vegan recipes for college students. AI can help you write the book, and platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Gumroad make it easy to publish and sell your ebook worldwide. The pros? Once your ebook is live, it can generate passive income for years. You don't need to worry about inventory or shipping because it's all digital. Plus, AI saves you time by doing the heavy lifting. The cons? The market is competitive, so you'll need to invest time in marketing your ebook. But here's a tip. Use AI to create eye-catching book descriptions and even social media ads to promote your work. If you're consistent, this can become a lucrative income stream. Next up, blogging. If you've ever thought about starting a blog but felt overwhelmed by the writing process, AI is here to help. You can use AI tools to generate blog posts, articles, and even listicles on topics like 10 best budget travel destinations or how to start a side hustle in 2024. Once your blog is up and running, you can monetize it in multiple ways. Through ads, using platforms like Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, promoting products and earning a commission, or sponsored content, where brands pay you to write about their products. The pros? Blogging can drive massive traffic if you optimize your content for SEO. AI can help with keyword research, meta descriptions, and even internal linking to boost your rankings on Google. The cons? It takes time to build an audience, and you'll need to consistently publish high-quality content. But with AI, you can cut your writing time in half and focus on growing your blog. Websites like WordPress and Medium are great places to start. Email marketing might sound old school, but it's still one of the most effective ways to make money online. AI can help you create personalized email sequences, sales copy, and even subject lines that grab attention. For example, if you run an online store, you can use AI to write emails that promote your products, announce sales, or even recover abandoned carts. Platforms like MailChimp, ConvertKit, and ActiveCampaign make it easy to automate your email campaigns. The pros? Email marketing has a high return on investment, and AI can help you optimize your campaigns for better conversion rates. The cons? You'll need to build an email list, which takes time and effort. But once you have a loyal audience, you can monetize it by promoting your own products, affiliate offers, or even paid subscriptions. Social media is everywhere, and businesses are always looking for fresh, engaging content. AI can help you generate posts, captions, and even add copy for platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook. For example, you can use AI to create 30 days worth of content in just a few hours. You can also analyze social media trends with AI tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to see what's working and adjust your strategy accordingly. The pros? Social media content creation is in high demand, and you can offer your services to multiple clients. The cons? It can be time-consuming to manage multiple accounts, and you'll need to stay updated on platform algorithms. But if you're consistent, you can build a thriving freelance business or even grow your own social media channels and monetize them through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another fantastic way to make money with AI-generated text. AI can help you create product reviews, comparisons, and buying guides that drive sales. For example, if you're promoting a fitness product, you can use AI to write a detailed review or a blog post like top 5 protein powders for weight loss in 2025. You can then include your affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale. The pros? Affiliate marketing is low risk because you don't need to create your own products. AI can also help with keyword research and SEO optimization to drive more traffic to your content. The cons? It can take time to see significant earnings, and you'll need to build trust with your audience. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, and CJ Affiliate are great places to start. If you're looking for a flexible way to make money, freelancing might be the perfect fit. You can offer services like blog post creation, article writing, social media content, and copywriting. AI tools can significantly speed up the process, allowing you to take on more clients. For example, you can use AI to draft a blog post and then edit it to match the client's tone and style. The pros? Freelancing gives you the freedom to work from anywhere and choose your own projects. The cons? You'll need to constantly find new clients and manage your own business. But if you focus on niches where you have specialized knowledge, like tech, health, or finance, you can charge higher rates. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are great places to start. Paid newsletters are becoming increasingly popular, and AI can help you create and curate content for platforms like Substack or Patreon. For example, you can start a newsletter on a niche topic like AI tools for small businesses or weekly productivity hacks. Once you build a loyal audience, you can charge a monthly subscription fee for exclusive content. The pros? Newsletters offer a steady income stream, and AI can help you generate content quickly. The cons? You'll need to consistently deliver value to keep your subscribers engaged. But if you focus on a niche with a dedicated audience, this can become a highly profitable venture. If you're a fan of YouTube or podcasts, you'll know that every great video or episode starts with a script. AI can help you write engaging scripts for content creators, whether it's a how-to video, a product review, or a storytelling podcast. You can offer your services on freelance platforms or even create your own YouTube channel and monetize it through ads and sponsorships. The pros? Script writing is in high demand, and AI can help you brainstorm ideas and structure your content. The cons? You'll need to understand the tone and style of the creator you're working with. But if you're passionate about storytelling, this can be a fun and rewarding way to make money. With AI, you can translate articles, ebooks, or other content into multiple languages. For example, you can translate an English ebook into Spanish, French, or German and sell it to a global audience. While AI can handle the bulk of the work, combining it with human editing ensures higher quality translations. The pros? Translation services are in high demand, especially for businesses looking to expand globally. The cons? You'll need to have a good understanding of both languages to ensure accuracy. But if you're bilingual, this can be a lucrative niche. Platforms like Prose and Django are great places to start. Finally, let's talk about resume and cover letter writing. Many people struggle to create professional resumes, and that's where you come in. You can use AI to generate templates, write personalized resumes, or even create guides on how to land a dream job. You can offer your services on freelance platforms or sell your templates on websites like Etsy or Creative Market. The pros? Resume writing is always in demand, especially in industries like tech, healthcare, and finance. The cons? You'll need to stay updated on industry trends and tailor each resume to the client's needs. But if you're detail-oriented, this can be a rewarding way to make money. So, there you have it, 10 proven ways to make money with AI-generated text. Whether you're creating ebooks, blogging, freelancing, or offering translation services, AI can help you work smarter, not harder. The key is to focus on niches where you can provide value and use AI to enhance your efficiency. Remember, the internet is full of opportunities, and with the right tools and strategies, you can turn your ideas into income. So which method are you interested in? Or do you have better method than the ones mentioned in this video? Please write it down in the comments section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money with AI. In fact, we have several similar videos. Here is another video about making money with AI just in front of you. So see you there.